Hey guys, we received this SimPure Y7P-BW UV countertop reverse osmosis water filter for test and try. So let me just open the box and show you to you. So this is a nice like 5-stage RO water filtration system. It's a portable system, so no particular assembly and things required. You can directly put on your countertop, and it have the inbuilt water chamber, and then you can just take the water out of it. So it's nice setup, or the countertop setup for your water thing, and you can easily put it on the kitchen countertop. These are the attachment and manual that comes, and the filters one included with it. So this height is around 18 inches, the countertop height. So this is around 16.1 inch, and the width is around 17.3, with in the front is 7.5. So let me just take out all this protective layer thing so I can show it to you. So this is the water chamber in the back, and nice. So this is the whole water purifier system, as you can see it here. With this is the magnetic thing where you can store, you can put your cup and the glass. And this is the water chamber in the back, so you can easily take this out to fill in the water. There are two filters in here. One is the RO filter and other is the CF filter. um, so let me just take out this protective thing and I will show. So you can easily change these filters as you can see. So there is a mark, just rotate and you can take this out. So you can easily replace these filters once they are worn out, and then put it back. So this is the water chamber that will have the water in, and my suggestion is to do 1 or 2 cycles at least to throw the water so that it can clean up or the flush. So these are all the indicators. So I'm filling the water, the tap water, and putting this bucket into this machine, and closing this. So you can see it immediately started taking up the water and start cleaning the process. Water will not dispense until you choose like what amount of the water you need. You can see it here: 6 ounce, 12 ounce, and 15 ounce. And then all these indicators are there. So I'm just using a jar just to collect in the water. So I'm just flushing it for some time, and you can see like it is saying like the pure water is filtering. So means like it is filtering the process and nothing will work till that time. So it's a protective thing. So once the water is up to that level, you can see like it is doing the process. So once this light is off, you can now choose the amount of water you need, and it start dispensing. So it's a great thing. Like it will keep that pure water thing. And but this, because this is the new filter, so some flushing is required. So this will change water, means you have to replace the water bucket from the back. So you have to throw the whole water and put the fresh tap water. So I am just continuously doing some of this flushing and the amount thing. Now I'm ready to get the glass water thing. So this is, I'm putting a glass water, taking that amount, and you can see this is now more clean water, and is ready to drink. So tastes good and it's a really good water.